Guys, before you go on to this clip, please don't forget to press the subscribe button for more content like this. We post all our clips on this channel from the podcast. I know you're going to enjoy this quite a lot.
You see, I have fought every war that since 71 and onwards.
Right.
Right? I have been in the Military Operation Directorate twice. There are very set systems in this country from pre-independence times. British times से set systems चले आ रहे हैं. Don't finger the systems.
Right.
Don't start reinventing the wheel with each conflict. इस बार हम ऐसे करेंगे ना. But set working systems हैं. Follow them. For example, during the Kargil war, the set system was the Ministry of Defence. Ministry of Defence used to give once a day briefing, right? And in that briefing, representative officers, colonels and equivalents from the Military Operation Directorate, Air Ops Directorate, Naval Ops Directorate, the guys planning and conducting the operations, they used to come and they used to brief. There used to be a rep of the Ministry of Defence, there used to be a rep of the MEA, Joint Secretary level. Reps used to be there. And this system was working very well. Beautifully, it worked every day of the war and it lasted 3 months. They would give that update. Factual, plain, simple update, giving what has happened, no future plans. Stuck to what has happened. So that kept the media informed, that kept people informed, and there are lots of media warriors out there to support you, but they need the fact check. Since yesterday, I must point this out. Since yesterday, we've been hearing rumors. I, as a military analyst, can't piece together.
Yeah.
Whether the Indian Navy has struck Karachi, yes, no.
There is no way of knowing.
There is no way.
The fog is so intense.
The fog has become so intense. So, I'm sure it is not a deliberate policy to keep a fog.
No.
So, therefore, you see, initially it was excellent. We are following a whole of the government approach. So, it was excellent that the MEA was leading the charge. The MEA was giving the briefings with 2 women officers, very symbolically chosen. I'm not sure they are from the MO Directorate or anywhere or Air Ops.
Bilkul.
But those girls were chosen for symbolical value. Ki Sindoor, Ops Sindoor, our girls were hit, so we are hitting back. Our girls are giving it back. Good, very nice. Now it has changed from just applying pressure, just attacking terrorist camps to almost ongoing war.
Right.
So in war there are old set, procedures, SOPs. Let's just follow them. That's all that I'm saying.
Right.
But it was being misunderstood. No, you want military this or that. For God's sake, the Military of Defence is a civilian organization. Let them do their job.
Yes. No, sir, I feel like even कल मैंने पहली बार बड़ा क्लियरली ये होते देखा क्योंकि मैं ना I had all news telecasts on. तो मेरे सामने I'm watching Indian news, phone पे I'm on Twitter, and then there is also another PC playing Pakistan news, and I could see the difference. And the way it was happening was कि कोई चीज़ सोशल मीडिया पे एक आदमी डालता था with some video which could be true, there is no time to verify, and 5 minutes later it's ending up on actual traditional media, and then it is becoming fact. और हम लोग इंडिया में we are convinced कि भाई हर तरफ बम गिर रहे हैं. I got several phone calls yesterday of people saying, will I be okay? Like people really in anxiety. And that was my reaction. I was like, yaar, tum kyun tension le rahe ho? But what do you say to somebody like that who's going, because there are actual people going through anxiety when this happens.
Yeah.
They're afraid. I get it.
So therefore, it is essential to keep a free flow of information, controlled information being fed. You see?
Right.
So that in war is the province of uncertainty, and the fog of war, as it is called. Every time a battle starts, there's a fog of war. There's so many rumors, so many false reports, so many this. So we must give clarity. And I'm sure we are a very smart organization.
Right.
I think we will revert to our SOPs very shortly because this is now heading to full-scale war.
Right.
It is no longer just applying psychological pressure or diplomatic pressure or economic pressure, of course, is on. And that is working pretty well. It has got them rattled. It's got them rattled to the core. And the military strikes have
shook them.
Shaken them.
Guys, अगर ये सुन के आपको भी लगा वाओ मैं भी ऐसे सोचना चाहता हूँ, मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ ऐसे कैसे सोचते हैं, तो क्या करना है? सब्सक्राइब का बटन, सब्सक्राइब.